Greetings, this is Randy Siebold, and I'd like to introduce you to the ShareGroup websites using Google Docs. And you should have received a link to your ShareGroup. So if you click on the ShareGroup, you should come to a page something like this. This is the sample ShareGroup, so these aren't the actual names. But if this was your ShareGroup leader, last name would show up here. And for our example here, Lewis Sample is our ShareGroup leader. And so what we would do is we would record your scores on your sheet. Each person would do that, and then review the scores together on the ShareGroup sheet. So these are the individual sheets right here, and that's the ShareGroup sheet. So let's go over here to Lewis Sample. So the scores should be defaulted to 1, but what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put in our scores that we did at church, and as we come to the ShareGroup, I will share those scores, and then as William Test will come in, he will find 1s in here, and he will share his scores. So all right, and then Milenko example would find 1s in here, and he would come in and he would put in his scores. And then once that's done, you can everyone can look at everyone's scores, and you can see here. And this is a place where you can talk, where someone has moved into leadership. What have you done? How have you made progress? And so these you can have conversations. It's not about being better or worse than someone else. It's about continually improving in each of your churches, helping them to make progress. So I hope this was helpful. The instruction sheet, the individual pages, this is where you put in the scores. And then once everybody puts in the scores, then they all show up here in your ShareGroup current results. I hope that's helpful. Thanks.